Welcome back. Last week we installed these great garage lights in here. These Hyco light garage lights we got off of Amazon. Very cool. Made the workspace we have available in our single car garage. It made it much lighter, much enjoyable. Painted the tops here. So we're doing better here, and that's all in preparation for one cool thing. I picked up something really cool, and now I want to show you what it is. That's right, 2017 KTM 250 EXC. Got it off of Craigslist. It's a little used, got 47 miles on it, but it's a beauty. 2017, great year. It'll do great here in the mountains of Colorado. It has very little wreckage or problems with it. Just the bark busters have been hit a little. The back end's a little damaged. But a great deal, great motorcycle. I had been looking for a KTM 250. I wanted something street legal, and that's what I got. I also wanted a dirt bike. It's been years since I had a dirt bike. I had Ducati, I had some Hondas, CBRs, you name it on street bikes, I had them. But I wanted to get back to a dirt riding because when I was young, I used to ride dirt bikes. And I had a KTM that was tuned by Slavin's Racing, because here I'm in Colorado Springs, and a lot of you know Slavin's Racing is here. I had a KTM maybe in like 2003, and so fast, such a good bike, but I didn't really get to ride it because my daughter was young. Now that she's older, I got one. I got what I wanted. Street legal 250 EXC-F. I looked at Husqvarna's. I looked at a lot of other bikes. The Betas, the 300RR, I believe it's called, Betas, Husqvarna 350s, looked at a lot of them, was looking for something used, and found it on Craigslist. So there it is. It's a great bike. Just show you around a little bit. Like I said, 250 EXC-F, everything I wanted, got it ready for going in the garage. It's got Cycra bark busters already put on it. The mirrors that everyone hates on KTMs were taken off, and it's got this Ram modified mirror on here. Normal regular seat. Other than that, it's got excuse me, has a broken tail light, but I've decided to order a new one and get one of the kits that do better on this. Yeah. Great bike, ready for the garage. Just getting my gear together, and hopefully we'll start working on it. I'm going to end up doing a lot of my own maintenance, and I'm going to end up, even before I haven't even ridden it, I'm going to take off the plastics, take everything off, clean it real well, get it ready to go. Super excited, and I hope you watch my videos. Thanks.